Hello friends, we are starting our 47th session. As we know, we are working for organized self-employment ministry formation, which is constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate and certain faith. So, as our ritual is, I Amiteshwar Jha, I Amit Kumar Jha, Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, is coming to my 1 to 6 room. First room, Shiv Puran, 12 Shadow Jyotir Mandir document, and 175 crore Shiv Parvati Mandir document, Trishul and vermilion mark, with 20 crore Aadhaar card holders and photo election card holders. Then room number 2, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita and Amit Puran. 31st August 1946. From there, 12 Jyotir Mandir shadow documents and 175 crore Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krish Radha Amita Lalsa Prabhu Lakshmi live money shadow document, Chakra and vermilion mark signifying Vishnu Lakshmi, Trishul and vermilion mark signifying Shiv Parvati welfare power, Brahma Saraswati. Room number 3, 12 Jyotir spiritual Hindu book ISBN certificate and 12 Jyotir ISBN certificate of the Hindus who have lived in India with Nobel Prize and Bharat Ratna and Padma Shri, and 175 crores Hindu ISBN all subject signifying Kamandal vermilion mark Brahma Saraswati, Chaturanand the Brahma Saraswati, and room number 4, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the Trinetra and one widow husband Shiva, Trinetra and vermilion mark Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhagwat, and 12 Jyotir Mandir of shadow document and 175 crore Mandir shadow document and 12 Bharat woman Hindu woman Bharat Ratna and Padma Shri written book ISBN certificate, and room number 5, each united Varshkrit god and goddess Mithila Varshkrit and all north, south, east, west, central India Hindu Varshkrit for different rituals we are doing. 108 Upanishad, 18 Puranas and 4 Vedas, ISBN certificate, Truth Saviors and book and vermilion mark. And room number 6, 31st August 1946, concept story for understanding, Clement Attlee document, 15 interim government member recommended by Clement Attlee and 299 member our constitutional committee and on which we are moving documents. Parliament by Supreme Court bureaucracy. We are belonging from 2020 Aadhaar card and photo election identity card automatically worshipping Pushpanjali Artri with Labour Party of India fist of the hand and uniform signature. Those who believe in this concept on constitutional validity on income, work, employment, 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below. It will increase and decrease according to inflation, deflation, boom and depression in the economy. We are starting the documented democratic signature economy. Those who believe by signaturing uniform way 30,000 per month below 70% and 30,000 per month above earner above 30,000. And in trading, in our concept with capitalist, socialist and mixed economy, democratic, documented, signatured economy of Hindus in 6 unborn family whose rays are going to Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham by uniform way at Shardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, by putting the unified books Shiv Puran having 175 crore, Shiv Shakti Mandir, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita having 175 crore, Vishnu, Ram, Sita, Krishna, the Amita Vilasa Mandir, Brahma, Saraswati that having 175 crore ISBN certificate, Adi Shakti Jagadamba having 175 crore Adi Shakti Jagadamba Mandir document, each united Varshkrit God and Goddess having 175 crore ISBN Varshkrit certificate, and government truth and non-violence of Hindus automatically believing in that constitutional validity on income work, uniform way 30,000 per month. By understanding that in 6 room, one is devotedly industrialist, 100%. One is 100% politician, 100%. One is 100% educationist, Hindu scientist, Hindu lawyers, Hindu one is 100% Hindu woman, and one is 100% truth saviors, truth and non-violence, and one is 100% government servant. On this basics, 16.66 into 6 into court martial rate by documenting, so that we will put this concept to the all political party in uniform signature by the democratic document signature method, by putting our Aadhaar card and photo election ID card, passport and this PAN card, linking by preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized, and becoming Amiteshwar Jhawar and Amit Kumar Jhawar. Automatically, if we are fixing 10 paisa or 20 paisa on our constitutional validity on income work, that is signature, that is illiterate, that is 22% poverty ridden people, signature known people, 5th pass people, 8th pass chamber, 10th pass chamber, 12th pass chamber, graduation pass chambers, post graduation pass chambers, MPhil pass chambers, DLED pass chambers, and PhD pass chamber and double PhD pass chambers. By this signature method, the document organized democracy of 26 January 1950 is coming, and by believing in the concept of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, room number 126, Amiteshwar Jha. We are becoming the sons and daughters of this by the document method in organized manner. Already we are, and giving the power to the 750 into 6 our parliamentarians and 6 unborn families of Hindus by the document method, and 4,500 Vidhan Sabha MLAs, political party president, and into 6 27,000 families, automatically national and state wise. We are becoming self-employed government job servant, and double salary starts coming if 10 paisa or 20 paisa or 30 paisa is fixed. And on that basis, self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, finance commission, we can increase every 5 years as we are increasing our finance commission. As we started our economy, which only organized is signatory, hereby we are becoming organized employed and organized self-employed. In organized employed also 6 unborn family united to the 1 Rashtrapati Bhavan. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Act. The Kailash Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Welfare Power Rashtrapati Bhavan. The Vaikunth Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Kshir Sagar Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Live Money Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Prabhu Lakshmi Rashtrapati Bhavan. Ram Sita Krishna the Amita Vilasa Rashtrapati Bhavan. Brahma Saraswati Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Law Education Rashtrapati Bhavan of Hindus, that is Satyadham Rashtrapati Bhavan. Adi Shakti Jagadamba Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Adi Shakti Jagadamba family and non-veto husband Rashtrapati Bhavan, and each united Varshkrit god and goddess Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Truth Savior Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the government Rashtrapati Bhavan, united to the 26 January 1950 Rashtrapati Bhavan by the document method, because in the village we will signature and automatically it will transfer to the block will transfer to the district will transfer to the state government by the document method, and our power will vest in the Indian Parliament and the Vidhan Sabha in the organized democracy by 6 unborn family, whom we are son Trishul Vermilion mark, Chakra Vermilion mark, Kamandal Vermilion marks, Trinita Vermilion mark, Varshkrit Vermilion mark, and the government stamp Vermilion. 6 unborn family, but minority have no problem. So automatically, directly it can be done. But we are scattered in 1175 crore mandir all around. And our he-man and she-man face is Shiv Parvati, welfare power, Vishnu Lakshmi, that is Prabhu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, Amita Vilas, Brahma Saraswati, that is Chaturana and Veena Pustak Dharan, Adi Shakti Jagadamba and Shiva, non-veto husband, Trinetra, Durga, and Hindu Varshkrit, Surya Chandama Navakar Dhanvantri, Sankadi Muni, Saptarishi, Dhruv, all types of god and goddess, all over India. And our national heroes, 31st August 1946 and onwards, which we have been living, and we have done all the election in a truth and non-violence manner. Little bit, but all have been done in a truth and non-violence in a democratic manner. Here also in a democratic, documented economy by the organized self-employment minister, we are signatory, and permanently we are becoming self-employed government sector, and promotion is automatically for 4 years. Work from home and in office in organized self-employment ministry, gradually it will be formed. Documents depositing validity in the parliament and in the Vidhan Sabha, we are becoming self-employed, because we are knowing from where we are belonging and how much capacity. But God capacity is infinitum, 100% of all, Kailasdham, Vaikundam, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham and government. But we are in human limitation. We are living in Amitva, that is Amiteshwar Jhawad, that is Amit Kumar Jhawad. So in democratic way, we have the human limitation. We have power, we have vote bank. In uniform manner, Labour Party is not taking any vote bank. With fist of the hand, it is not taking any vote bank. It is just making understanding. A uniform system in organized manner, every 5-year election, and in room number 1 to 6. What we did not acknowledge 31st August 1946 before. We all fought for the national movement. Devotedly, we are independent. But one thing is lacking, the regular job salary. How it will come? When we will sign the signature. It is not like that this fiscal credit table will be there or truth only trumps is there. 12-12 idealistic mandir, which has been giving us an idealistic path, which are living with us, and we have taken birth in different families of it. Shiv Parvati family, Vishnu Lakshmi family, Brahma Saraswati family, Ram Sita family, Krishna Radha family, Adi Shakti Jagadamba family, each united god and goddess family, government family. Automatically by the document 30,000 per month above, 30,000 per month below. We are making 70% and 30%, because we are becoming self-employed government servant, and 100% employment is coming. And 10 paisa, 20 paisa, 30 paisa, whatever fixation it is coming, it will continue, because ministerial benefit will come. Pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness, allowance, all. And vote bank do not affect it, because vote bank of all is like that. Because we will make a documented boundary. Automatically organize opinion, because when we are signing in Amiteshwarism or Amit Kumar Jhaism or Amiteshwar Jhaism, document is formed, and we will worship 31st August to 11th September by making 6 ideal, and 16 February to 26 February 6 ideal, and then on the last day we will immerse in the Ganga, Yamuna, Krishna, Kaveri all over India, and our work will also move 30,000 per month, above 30,000. Below 30,000 per month will try to move 30,000 above. 30,000 per month will automatically try to move above, and automatically a chain will be made, and our vote bank is not affected because we are knowing that we are the sons of Kailasdam, Bakundam, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess. We all are living. All shadow document mandirs are living and blessing us by the Amitvad, Amiteshwarvad, and by documentvad. We all are having fiscal credit salary and ministerial reward, pension, gratuity, provident fund, D&S allowance. That is why I have made uniform documented system. Right of pension, fundamental right. Right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right. Right of educational certificate in capital value. Organized self-employment ministry and budget. 3 budget system. Direct link to ministry and budget. We 120 crore Aadhaar card are sons of 20 into 6. Joining at the point at document of the shadow documents of the all mandirs and depositing our sovereignty in that way, and 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below by the preamble wise organized and preamble wise organized self-employed. Automatically uniform system is coming because all work is being awarded, and a assurance of regular income is coming to each household, because if we are not taking, it is going to the treasury. If we are taking, we are working. Constitutional validity on income. And 0 to 18 years, if any death or any type of situation is there, we are by that organized self-employment ministry we are attaching. But after 18 years, when we require that no, we should earn, automatically we are coming to organized self-employment ministry, and our transfer of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is connected to 26 January 1950 Rashtrapati Bhavan and 26 January 1950 Governor House and Chief Minister and all the MPs and MLA. What we are getting, briefing is automatically given by the organized self-employed manager all over India in grade A, grade B, grade C, grade D, according to the age 18, 32, 46, 58 year. That yes, a constant work is going on, and 30,000 above equilibrium point is maintained, 30 and 70 ratio is maintained, and double work salary we are getting, one from the government sector and other from the private sector. If we are missing job also, if we are not getting job, then also a relaxation is there, because I have told you, by less money in fiscal credit salary we can do Monday fast, Tuesday fast, Wednesday fast, Thursday fast, Friday fast, Saturday fast and Sunday fast according to our liking, 2-3 days fast, and automatically it can be saved, because if 1 pice is required for the lunch, it can be saved. So in that way we can save also. And by document method, I have tried to put right of educational certificate in capital value. So regular income is coming, and a government democratic signature economy is being formed by the organized self-employment ministry, Labour Party of India, Fist of the Hand initiative, by going 31st August 1946. Automatically by this concept we are signing uniform constitutional validity. We are all free, as we are free from 26 June 1950. A freedom is also, and those who do not require do not know to join, and those who require automatically joining, and all the Hindu women are living in Rashtrapati Bhavan number 4. Male sovereignty can be seen by the court martial range, because all are seasoned politicians. So automatically by seeing Shiv Puran and Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita and Constitutional Puran and the ISBN Puran, and this one document is giving a order where we are in uniform way, and organized worship we are beginning, because new generation we are giving a national face on the document basis, which is resembling from the Trishul and Vermilion bar as Shiv Parvati welfare power, Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, Amita Vilasa as Chakra and Vermilion bar, Brahma, Saraswati and law education, Veena Pustak Dharani as the Mandal and Vermilion, Tranetra and vermilion mark, as Durga and Meghdana Mardani and Shiva, and the book and vermilion, signifying the Hindu Varshkrit and 100 Upanishad, 4 Vedas, 18 Puranas, from where we have belonged, we all, and Constitution of India, the government stamp, vermilion mark. We all have taken birth, and we are in 120 crore other. So by document signing, we are being posted by our honored president and governor, and politics is moving in organized manner, and we are giving validity, because before 31st August 1946 all politicians invested their merit and made nationally. So we are respecting, and now the new system is coming by this document, that the politicians are also earning from the day one, because what is happening, 30 years is required to form a political opinion. After that, MLA MP one is becoming, the most of the glorious time is past. Here in the documented democratic signature economy, from the day we are living, 16.66 is of political father mother, 16.66 is of industrial father mother, 16.66 is of educationist, Hindu scientist, Hindu lawyer, Hindu editor, 16.66 is of Hindu woman, sister, daughter, daughter-in-laws, 16.66 is of the truth and non-violence, and 16.66 is of government. Automatically documented and surrendering the signing that we are organized self-employed government servant. 100% everyone is having. If anyone is able to earn 100%, no problem in that, because as we will leave, automatically it will be barren. But if we are living, 100% maintenance is done, because 6 room, 1 to 6 room, Rashtrapati Bhavan I and Governor House I, and directly connected to the main Rashtrapati Bhavan, 26 January 1950 and 26 January 1950 Governor House. All the transfers are done, and for employment we can self-transfer to any of the metropolitan, because all are knowing, because as we are signing by the common method of Labour Party of India, democratic, documented, Hindu documented signature family, and we are putting 12-12 Jyotirmandir shadow, and by that we are the sons and daughters, and we start moving, and we are keeping a demarcation line, 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month. What is their regular income is also coming, and organized setup, because my opinion is that if 10 paisa we are earning per month of the government validity, that self-employed government servant, I am graduate and 10 paisa I am per month earning, so automatically status start coming, because what is there, status come with the organized, and organized self-employment ministry, directly we are sitting with the our chambers at our age, so automatically 72 circle is also becoming, and we have automatically signatured on the court martial range, that if we try to validate the law, it will be difficult for us, so automatically we will follow, and we are seeing the face of the Shiv Parvati, that is welfare power, Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, that is Prabhu Lakshmi, that is life money, Brahma Saraswati, Amita Vilasa, that is life money, Brahma Saraswati, Chaturanand, and Veena Pustak Dharani, that is Brahma Saraswati, Adi Shakti Jagadamba and Shiva, that is Shiva and the Durga and the Shiva, and the each united Varshkrit god and goddess, and the constitution, government stamp, automatically government. So we are the sons and daughters. We are trying to increase our strength, and it can increase and decrease. 30,000 per month is a amount. It can be 28,000, it can be 36,000, according to our work, as we will work with the zealness. Because 10 paisa per month we are getting, and pension gratuity provident fund, we can take a loan, because in small money we can take small yard loan, and a organized growth, because 32 years or 46 year, same type of people in same profession automatically loves each other because they want to live in a atmosphere of democratic signature document. So in this way, we are keeping idealistic above 30,000 per month earner in this, because we want to become above 30,000 per month earner. But what is there? We will take strict checking. So automatically, as government job is today, similarly that 30,000 per month above will be strict, as getting government job is difficult, but self-employment government job validity is easy, because if we are setting 10 paisa or 20 paisa or 30 paisa, it can increase with the time. Only thing is that we have to accept that the constitutional validity on income work, which I am trying to build a uniform political opinion on the basis of we are the sons of Kailasdam, Bakundam, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagdambadam, each united God and Goddess. Rashtrapati women, 6 Rashtrapati women, we have taken birth all over India as Amitva, and then connected to the main Rashtrapati women, 26 January 1950 and 26 January 1950 Governor House of 29 states, 6 women. All political parties are our seniors, our brothers and sisters. All multinational, Hindu multinational corporate, all educationists, all Hindu editors, all Hindu scientists, all lawyers, all women's, Hindu women's, all truth and non-violence, all government employees are brothers and sisters. And we are entering by the document democratic signature method, and according to the area in the village, as I have put the Sadchayat concept. Panchayat we have Shiv Parvati, Vishnu Lakshmi family, that is Ram Sita Krishna Radha Amita Vilasa, Brahma Saraswati family, that is Law Education, Adi Shakti Jagadamba family, and each united version. But my is democratic documented signature mode, where we are knowing each other that we are belonging from the Kailasdam, Bakundam, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagdambadam, each united world. Now we have come to the documentary system. We have capitalist economy, we have socialist economy, we have mixed economy. Now we are putting one more concept by Amit Kumar Jha, Amit Ishwar Jha, room number 126, Ardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 84720, mobile number 639736077. By truth and non-violence. It is not like that any pressure or anything like that. This is 47th session I am trying to make. Otherwise it is 8th when it got concept 31st August 2001, and in 6th unbound form 16 February 2002. So according to that 8,000 and the 16,002 session, 15,002 session. So on that basis we are having this. So this is 47th session. So I am trying to explain this organized self-employment ministry, why it is required. As our degree is required, automatically by the constitutional validity per month fiscal credit starts moving, and automatically energy starts coming, because what is there, organized work is there, and in front of us the blessing of our all political party in uniform form, all are working, and the validity is given. 16.66% work is of our devoted politician. Means we are, by the document signing, we are giving text that yes, by the efforts of these political managers of all political parties, we have got this. By the effort of our industrial manager, we have got. By the effort of our educational, legal, scientific editor manager, we are getting. By the efforts of the women, Hindu women managers, we are getting. By the efforts of the government managers, we are getting this in the organized self-employment industry. And a ray of hope is coming to our mind that we can become a human capital. We can become engineers, doctors, and nurses. Settled portion can also have a double salary, because one is fixed. Frictional work, seasonal work problem, so many types of unemployment problems are there, and it is basically a constant type concept. It is not moving. That is why I have tried to bifurcate 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month. Automatically a season outlook is coming, because interference automatically will mold, because the impact of one charismatic personality automatically change. But what is there? Charismatic personality also have to work according to its capacity, because we have limitations. 100% is of all, but 16.66% into 6 we have taken on the document method, because each one going high family is coming in that, and also the resources are scattered in a unorganized manner, because the blessing of God is different in different areas. So we have to understand. We have to also understand that the Spearman's method, where the rankings are indifferent. One person is ranking one person as first position, and other person is ranking it as 10th position, and one person is ranking one as 9th position, and other person is ranking as 3rd position. So in that method we find out the correlation. Similarly, we have to understand the correlation. 31st August 1946 and continuation. Time is changing. That what was faith now required the document. That what was faith now required document. And we will make by this a document system. Had we started with 1 paisa on 26 January 1950 by self-employed government servant, we would have continued with self-funding, certain cash, certain fiscal credit finance commission. But now it is of no use, because 75 independence we are celebrating. Now the time is that we should signature that yes, we respect our politician, they are also earning, and they also require at 18 they are becoming political manager, automatically they are earning. Yes, we are industrial manager, if we started earning, we are also earning. Automatically educational managers, editor managers, scientific managers, legal managers, women manager of Hindus, and truth and non-violence, and government manager. Automatically we are self-employed government servant in unison. And by document system and by court martial system, when we are signing document, court martial system is also signing, because we are knowing the laws that Shiva Parvati is fixed, welfare power is fixed, live money and Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha is fixed, Amita Valasa is fixed, Brahma Saraswati, law education is fixed, ISBN certificate value is fixed, and Adi Shakti Jagdamba, that is family and non-widow husband, is fixed. Each united worship ground is fixed, and the government is fixed, and democratic election is going on in the economy. We have the openness in the capitalist economy, socialist economy, and mixed economy, because no job is affected, no vote bank is affected. It is not like that ki any vote bank is being affected, because we will keep our capitalist mentality. As much we can earn, we can earn. Only thing we will keep the quality, 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below. And on the meanwhile, everyone is having 30,000. So automatically quality will improve, because educational certificate value, because there is difference between the fiscal credit salary of the non-signature note chambers and the signature note chambers and 5th pass chamber. 1,000 difference is there, and 1 paisa difference is there. So automatically whole year 12 paisa is difference is coming. So that we have to understand. And in gigabytes the rays are coming. Kailasdam, Vaikundam, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagadambadam, each united Gordon Brasam and government now. Gigabytes the rays are coming. So we have to understand that we have to stop by the document system, because as we have passed 75 years, now it is time to understand Labour Party of India fist of the hand organized self-employment ministry concept, that it is high time that we should accept the documentation system of democratic documented signature method. And we are the sons of Kailasdam, Vaikundam, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagadambadam, each united God the government now. And with 6 unborn family, we are transferring our power to the president and governor and the parliament and Vidhan Sabha. And in lieu of that, we are getting fiscal credit salary, pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness allowance per month. Automatically we can take loan from anywhere. If we are able to settle in that private sector also, that and plus this supplement will be there, because we will keep the strict 30,000 per month below, and we will keep preamble wise organized self-employed 6 unborn family, and we will keep link by the promotion of the 30,000 per month below to the 30,000 per month above by the devotion of truth and non-violence, so that we will keep. And the political thinking will be also modernized, because wife, husband, in the home we are living as Shiv Parvati, welfare power, Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, Amita Vilasa, Brahma Saraswati, law, education, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba, and her non-veto husband Durga and non-veto husband, each united worship and government. But we have changed. From 31st August 2001, I am trying to explain this concept. If we are understanding, automatically we are becoming fiscal credit salary, and we are promoted automatically for 4 years. In the beginning, we will invest slow, because slow and steady wins the race. When we are starting 16%, we wholeheartedly, politicians are investing, and we are making self-employed government service. 16.66%, we all industries are investing as Hindus, and we are making 16.66% self-reliant everyone, because fiscal credit salary is coming and self-employment concept is being made. Automatically 72 members are there. 16.66 educationists, 16.66 Hindu scientists, 16.66 Hindu editors, 16.66 lawyers are investing. Automatically we are maintaining law by our work. So 16.66 on the whole law and education, Brahma Saraswati. 16.66 Hindu women is automatically in room number 4. Hindu women document is living. Automatically all women are self-employed government servants. So improving more and more by the document democratic signature method. One, fiscal credit salary is fixed. Constitutional validity on income. What we have to do? 30,000 per month. Truth and non-violence signaturing we are doing, and we can build by the fast system. Easy system, straightforward. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday fast. Automatically, if 2-3 days if we are fasting, we can save, and also worship is also done, because it will be controlling us, and government is self-earning, self-worth, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing we are putting on 1 rupees 1 paise. Automatically every 5 years it is increasing, and per month we are getting. And as a political manager, we all political party with our vote bank, we can sit with coat pen tie and have the meetings with the voters. How the fiscal credit is going, how much improvement in the work, any types of small problem is there, so that our political base will be also maintained. And apart from this, if we have more resources, we can invest personally also on our name, because the concept is changing, life is changing, we are shifting to Googles and all. Connectivity will increase, because by document method we all are self-employed government servant by the concept of Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga Bihar. If we all political party president are uniformly signaturing, who will follow? We will follow the seniors, as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru made the system. We predecessors are following, as our senior prime ministers and the governor and the MLAs and MPs will make. We will follow them. We 6 families will follow them, and 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below will always make us check that we have not reached to that level per month earning. We are below 30,000. So automatically every year organized self-employment finance minister will remember us that now the rate is 28,000 or 36,000 or 40,000 or 30,000 is continuing, and we all 120 crore Aadhaar card will be connected by the signature method, that is constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate in capital value, and educational certificate on capital value if we are putting graduate value 1 rupees. So if 1% we are increasing, 1.1% increasing. So in that way what will happen? A organized system will develop. Everyone is content with the religion what we have. We are satisfied with the work our God and Goddess has given to us. By the Amit Kumar Jha and Amiteshwar Jhaism, we are supplementing it. So we have to understand organized self-employment ministry and make self-employment government job system, so that we all will be self-employed government job servant, and promote ourselves A to Z and 1 to infinity. Now with this I am concluding with the tradition of Amit Kumar Jha, Amiteshwar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, room number 126. Pushpanjali and Artik 2, room number 126, Shiv Puran, 12 Jyotir, shadow document, 175 crore, Shiv Parvati, welfare power, shadow document. Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, that is Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, and the Truth Only Terms and the Amit Puran, 12 document Mandir and shadow Mandir and 175 crore Mandir and Truth Only Terms, ISBN, and 12 spiritual Hindu book and 12 materialistic, that is Bharat Ratna and Nobel Prize winner Hindu book and certificate, and 175 crore certificate of Brahma Saraswati law education, which we have been writing all subject, and Adi Shakti Durga Saraswati Devi Bhagavat, and 12 Jyotir Mandir shadow of Adi Shakti Jagdamba, 175 crore Adi Shakti Mandir document, and materialistic book of women 12, and the each united Varshikar government goddess, and the 108 Upanishad, 12 18 Puranas and 4 Vedas, and the 175 crore ISBN certificate of Varshikar North, South, East, West, Central, and the government registry. 31st August 1946 concept, Clement Attlee document, 15 interim government, and 209 constitutional committee member, and presently all we are moving with that. With that Pushpanjali Arti we are completing with that Labour Party custom of the end and uniform system, that we should make constitutional validity on income work and make organized self-employment ministry with right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years, fundamental right of educational certificate in capital value, organized self-employment ministry, educational certificate in capital value, and promote ourselves from A to Z and 1 to 10. Thank you.